Welcome to a new episode of Bitcoin and AI News Update. Today is Sunday, June 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into the most recent developments in the world of Bitcoin and AI, from market moves to policy shifts. Brought to you by bitcoinrushmastery.com. Let's get started. Bitcoin trading at around $105,000 as of June 19, 2025, has analysts eyeing a potential surge to $200,000 by the end of 2025, a 90% jump that would push its market cap to $3.9 trillion. This optimistic forecast hinges on two key factors: a reduced supply of new coins due to the April 2024 halving, now at just 1.8% of the total, and surging institutional demand, with Bitcoin ETFs attracting over $46 billion, including a $1.8 billion six-day streak in mid-June. These funds, alongside institutional investors, control 6% of the circulating supply, tightening the float and potentially driving prices higher. Despite geopolitical and regulatory risks, if ETFs absorb another $50 billion by late 2025, removing 475,000 coins, the $200,000 target seems plausible, though ambitious, favoring long-term holders over short-term speculators. Bitcoin plummeted below $100,000 on Sunday, its lowest since May, following U.S. airstrikes on Iran's nuclear sites ordered by President Donald Trump. The broader crypto market tanked 7% in 24 hours, with Bitcoin dropping 4% to $99,300 and Ethereum falling 10% to its lowest since early May. The strikes, targeting Iran's Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan facilities, came after UN reports of Iran's non-compliance with nuclear restrictions escalating Middle East tensions. Trump hailed it as a historic moment, urging Iran to end the conflict. Bitcoin's decline mirrors past dips, like April's $75,000 low after Trump's tariffs, though it hit an all-time high in May amid ETF inflows. Geopolitical uncertainty and risk aversion now loom, with traders bracing for further volatility in the crypto market. In a bold move, Phoenix Group, a top 10 Bitcoin miner based in Abu Dhabi, is doubling its global data center capacity to over 1 gigawatt in the next 2 years, shifting focus to artificial intelligence. CEO Munaf Ali revealed plans to consider a U.S. stock market listing, with the Abu Dhabi parent retaining majority control, aiming to tap into higher tech valuations. Operating across Canada, Ethiopia, Oman, the UAE, and the US, Phoenix uses flexible 20-foot container rigs, allowing seamless switches between Bitcoin mining and AI data centers. Ali notes, AI de-risks crypto, and crypto de-risks AI, highlighting a 6-month setup for mining versus years for AI centers. With $31 million in Q1 revenue and 350 Bitcoins mined, this pivot marks a strategic leap in the evolving tech landscape. Bitcoin miners are poised to play a pivotal role in the AI gold rush, according to EMJ Capital founder and president Eric Jackson. Speaking on making money, Jackson highlighted the massive energy demands of the AI revolution, predicting it will require significant power infrastructure. He noted that Bitcoin miners, with their existing energy-heavy operations, can pivot to support AI data centers, leveraging their expertise in energy management. This shift could transform the crypto industry, aligning it with the booming AI sector. Jackson emphasized the synergy, suggesting miners' adaptability could drive innovation and profitability. As AI's energy needs soar, this strategic pivot positions Bitcoin miners as key players in the tech landscape, bridging cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence in a groundbreaking convergence. Texas has made history by becoming the third U.S. state to establish a Bitcoin reserve with the signing of Senate Bill 21, dubbed the Texas Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Act by Governor Greg Abbott. Effective September 1st, 2025, this law allows the state comptroller to manage a special fund outside the Treasury, investing in Bitcoin and other crypto assets with a market cap exceeding $500 billion over 24 months. Currently, only Bitcoin qualifies. Funded by appropriations, earnings, and donations, the reserve aims to hedge against inflation and bolster financial resilience. A 5-member advisory committee will guide its management, with secure custody ensured by qualified providers. Companion Bill HB 4488 protects the reserve from fund sweeps, affirming its permanence. This move positions Texas as a crypto leader, following New Hampshire and Arizona, amid growing state-level adoption trends. Despite Bitcoin dipping below $100,000, the options market remains cautiously bullish, reflecting optimism amid recent volatility. Data from Deribit, a leading crypto derivatives exchange, shows a put-call ratio of 0.46 as of June 20th, 2025, indicating more call options betting on price increases than puts betting on declines. This ratio, below the neutral 0.5, suggests traders anticipate a recovery with significant open interest at the $110,000 strike price for July 25th expiry, hinting at a potential rebound. Bitcoin's drop, triggered by U.S. strikes on Iran and oil market fears, saw it fall 4% to $99,300, dragging the crypto market down 7%. Yet, analysts note the bullish tilt persists, driven by institutional buying and ETF inflows, though short-term profit-taking and geopolitical risks temper the outlook as traders watch for a decisive move above $100,000. The venture capital landscape is shifting as AI and crypto converge, reshaping the decentralized future as of June 22, 2025. AI startups raised $25.7 billion on Q1 2025, outpacing crypto's $5.2 billion, reflecting a surge in AI interest driven by generative models and enterprise adoption. Yet crypto remains resilient, with 40% of VC deals in Q1 targeting blockchain infrastructure, signaling long-term potential despite Bitcoin's recent dip below $100,000. Analysts note a symbiotic trend. AI enhances crypto through smart contracts and data analysis, while crypto's decentralization fuels AI innovation, free from big tech dominance. Venture firms like A16Z and Pantera are betting big, with $1.2 billion allocated to AI crypto hybrids. This fusion promises a decentralized AI ecosystem, though regulatory hurdles and market volatility pose challenges, shaping a tech frontier where both fields thrive. Thank you for listening to Bitcoin and AI News Update today. To learn why buying Bitcoin as digital gold is a smart move in this new economy and how to invest safely and confidently, even as a beginner, you can listen to our Bitcoin Masterclass, Seizing the New Gold Rush, at bitcoinrushmastery.com. Have a great day.